The Taos Hum, the mystery sound no one can explain. In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, some people hear a strange, low-frequency hum. It's been described as a distant diesel engine, but no one knows where it's coming from. Scientists have investigated for decades, but they've found no source. Is it underground machinery? Secret military experiments? Or something more mysterious? To this day, the Taos hum remains unexplained. Have you ever heard a mysterious sound? Comment below.